Good afternoon po.
Thank you very much, Attorney Marife. Good afternoon, Justice. Uh, just a few questions. Uh, in your paper, you mentioned the revival and strengthening of the investment ombudsman to enhance ease of doing business and attract investments. Justice, are you aware of Republic Act number 11032?
This is pertaining to, Your Honor, the investment ombudsman,
Yes,
the
yes.
or
Number three.
the ease of doing business law,
Yes,
the
yes.
ARTA law. If I
You want to revive it because it says it, revival and strengthening. My
what
question is, are you aware of Republic Act number 11032?
is this the act of the ease of doing business law, Your Honor, creating the ARTA?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. I'm familiar with that law po. And I'm also familiar with the fact that there is no investment ombudsman currently existing or functioning within the office of the ombudsman at present. Not like before, when there was an investment ombudsman and an environmental ombudsman who was functioning specifically to carry out certain duties and responsibilities po.
There is, no. So now you want to revive it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Will this not be a duplication of the work of the central business portal under the ease of doing business?
I think it's complementary, not
Complementary.
duplicitous, Your Honor, with all due respect. ARTA is specifically chartered and functioning to perform those duties, but it has no disciplinary authority or power. They have to, again, just refer this matter to the Office of the Ombudsman. So it's, to my mind, beneficial if you have an investment ombudsman specifically tasked to coordinate with ARTA, with the agencies, with
Actually,
the
it's under the DIC.
po?
The central business portal
Yes.
is under the DIC department.
The ICT po.
Yes, the ICT.
Yes. I think the idea of the ICT is really centralizing those portals for agencies with specific mandates of agencies to be better performed. So in that sense, it's really collaborative, suppletory to what is now being established with the ICT, not only with the ARTA, but with all other agencies with the kindred duty of fighting corruption, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Justice. That would be all. Your excuse.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor.